Ever wondered why you never slip? Welcome, young explorers. Today we dive into the incredible world of friction, a force that might seem simple, but is essential for everything you do. Picture yourself walking, riding, or riding your bike. Friction is there, working quietly to keep you safe and steady. At first glance, friction might seem like an obstacle in motion, something that slows you down. In fact, it resists movement by acting in the opposite direction of sliding or rolling. But when we look closer, friction reveals its amazing benefits. It helps our shoes grip the ground so you don't fall, allows your pencil to glide smoothly across paper, and even gives your bicycle the power to stop when needed. Have you ever rubbed your hands together to warm up? That's friction creating heat and showing us its helpful side. Engineers harness friction when designing car brakes and tires, ensuring we travel safely every day. Although friction can cause wear and tear on machines, clever use of oils and lubricants reduces damage and keeps technology running smoothly. Today, we celebrate friction as a friend in disguise, a hidden hero behind our most familiar everyday activities and innovative technologies. Each step you take, each word you write, carries a story of friction's quiet strength. It transforms everyday challenges into opportunities for safety and progress. Let your curiosity guide you on this journey of discovery. Remember, science is all around you, waiting to be explored. Join us in uncovering more secrets of the world through physics. Embrace the magic of friction and empower your future.